Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
Today, the price of Bitcoin, BTC, to Tether, USDT, is $27,711.43, a decrease of 0.02% from yesterday's $27,716.32. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to Tether, USDT, is $1853.98, an increase of 0.08% from yesterday's $1852.43. The price of Binance Coin, BNB, to Tether, USDT, is $314.0, an increase of 0.38% from yesterday's $312.8. These figures indicate a slight upward trend in cryptocurrency prices in the past 24 hours.
Latest news.
Ethereum Validators earn a record $1,040,000 as staking rewards rate surges. Validators earned a record high of $46 million in the first week of May as a result of the increase in staking rewards rate. This increase was largely attributed to the recent trend of a new Memecoin called PEPE trading. As gas fees increased, end users paid over $30 per swap, resulting in higher fee income for validators. The staking rate signifies the anticipated annualized return for validators, who are mandated to stake a minimum of 32 ETH, valued at roughly $58,000. This record high income highlights the importance of ETH staking among institutions since Ethereum's network moved to a proof-of-stake (POS) consensus mechanism last year. Bitcoin soars above $1,000,000 as U.S. April inflation lower than expected. Bitcoin experienced volatility after the U.S. announced its Consumer Price Index (CPI) data for April, which was lower than expected. This caused PEPE to surge from $27,500 to over $28,000, charting a multi-day high. The U.S. fiscal budget and debt have been in focus in recent weeks, and the CPI numbers for April added to the anticipation. The $1,000,000 PEPE airdrop, transitioning the Memecoin hype to Bitcoin Ordinals. Ordinals Wallet, a veteran wallet that supports non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on Bitcoin, has announced an airdrop of PEPE's Ordinals to users who made a transaction onto their wallet or marketplace before block 7778888. This airdrop has caused a frenzy in the crypto world, with the lowest floor price of PEPE reaching close to $12,000. Meanwhile, PEPE's market capitalization has dropped from $1 billion to $8 million in the past few days. Hungarian central bank sees no imminent need for E-Forint. Hungary is not in a rush to join the euro and is exploring the possibility of issuing a central bank digital currency through a series of pilots. The motivation for this is to get more people into the financial system, as 13% of Hungarian adults are currently unbanked. The Bank for International Settlements has found that 90% of global central banks are researching the possibility of a CBDC. Fear and Greed Index Daily Update. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index stands at 52, indicating a neutral level of optimism among cryptocurrency investors. The index has decreased from 64 to 52 over the past week, showing a decrease in the level of greed. The Fear-Greed Index is measured from 0 to 100, with 0 representing extreme fear and 100 representing extreme greed. A press release summarizing this would be, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index is currently at 52, signifying a neutral level of optimism among cryptocurrency investors. The index has decreased from 64 to 52 over the past week, reflecting a decrease in the level of greed. US CPI inflation falls to 4.9% in April. Bitcoin rises above $28,000. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics released their Consumer Price Index report for April, showing that the annual inflation rate slowed to 4.9%, down from 5.0% in March. The core CPI rate was 5.5%, which is in line with forecasts. The news has led to a rise in the price of Bitcoin, as traders anticipate a potential pause in rate hikes from the Federal Reserve. The U.S. 10-year Treasury yield has also decreased, indicating a shift in monetary policy. UI launches Ethereum-based carbon emission tracking platform. EY, the professional services giant, has launched a new Ethereum-based platform to help enterprises track their carbon emissions and carbon credit traceability. The platform is now available in beta version on the UI blockchain SaaS platform and uses carbon emission tokens developed by the Microsoft-backed Interwork Alliance. This new system will provide enterprises with visibility into their actions towards decarbonization, allowing them to link carbon output to specific product output. UI's global blockchain leader Paul Brody believes that blockchains are the glue that can link business processes and global ecosystems across enterprise boundaries. Galaxy Digital posts E-Forint first quarter profit on strong showing for crypto market. Galaxy Digital, a financial services firm focused on cryptocurrency, has reported a net income of 134 million for the first quarter of 2021, representing a significant turnaround from the net losses of 170 million and 289 million in the fourth quarter of 2022 and the equivalent quarter a year ago, respectively. This rebound is attributed to gains on digital assets and investments, as well as a 70% increase in the value of Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency. Galaxy Digital Asset Management also reported an increase in assets under management to 2.4 billion, 40% more than the previous quarter. This marks the first time Galaxy Digital has returned to the black since the end of 2021. 22,900 ETH worth $42M was just burned. On Monday, Ethereum blockchain implemented an important upgrade known as EIP 1159, resulting in a drastic change to the fee model. As a result, 22,900.24 Ether, crypto, F, worth $42,303,157 was burned from Ethereum transactions, permanently removing it from circulation and lowering the supply of Ether forever. This burn rate is expected to be greater than the token's issuance, leading to Ethereum becoming a deflationary currency. According to data from Glassnode, the net annualized issuance rate for Ether yesterday was -43.43%. New rules on sharing crypto tax data unanimously supported by EU members. EU member states have unanimously agreed to new rules allowing tax authorities to share data on individuals' crypto holdings, paving the way for formal agreement on the law next week. The law is intended to prevent tax evasion through overseas bank accounts and digital assets. Companies with EU clients will have to register in the block in order to report digital assets to tax authorities. The agreement follows a move by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development to crack down on tax evasion via digital assets. In a press release, the European Union has unanimously agreed on new rules to prevent tax evasion through digital assets and overseas bank accounts. Companies with EU clients will have to register in the block in order to report digital assets to tax authorities. The agreement follows a move by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development to crack down on tax evasion via digital assets, and is expected to be formalized next week.
Thank you for watching today.
Wishing you all the best in your cryptocurrency investments. May you have success in finding the right opportunities and making smart decisions to maximize your returns.